Hey Happy Bees, it's Amanda, and this week we're going to make a Christmas koala. You can find links in the description below for everything that I'm using in this video so that you can make one at home. So let's get started. So to make a candy cane for your koala, you're going to roll out 2 snakes of modelling paste, one red and one white. You're going to intertwine those together and then roll them out. Twist the top of it round to make it look like a candy cane and insert a barbecue skewer inside and leave it overnight to dry. Using an oval piece of modelling paste now, we're going to create our koala's face. So you're going to place a small circle at the bottom of the face and fray it out a little bit. Then you're going to use a teardrop piece of black modelling paste to create his nose and 2 circles of white modelling paste for the eyes. You're going to fray around the eyes and use a ball tool to create some circles. Use some blue and black modelling paste to create eyes. And you can use a small piece of grey modelling paste and some black edible paint to create eyelids. Create a little mouth for your koala and insert some brown fondant and some pink fondant to create a mouth and a wee tongue. Giving our little Christmas koala some rosy cheeks with some rose edible dust. And this cake topper was for my daughter's 8th birthday. She just loves koalas and she wanted a baby animals cake which was Christmas themed. You can kind of get an idea as to what her cake was like here. You'll be able to see the full cake at the end of this video. So hopefully you've got your koala's body secured onto the cake. We're going to create some legs now. So you're going to roll your modelling paste into a sausage shape but leave a little ball at the end. Then gently press down on that little ball. That's going to create some feet. And you want to make some toes there as well. And the other end of the leg you're going to flatten down with your finger. So Holly had told me the main feature of her cake had to be a koala, and the koala had to have giant ears. So you can see how I've created the ears here. You're just going to press down on some grey modelling paste and you're going to put some white inside it. You're going to fray that out. And I've put a cocktail stick inside the ear of inside the head of the little koala. That's just going to hold that ear in place until it dries. And of course he had to be a Christmas koala, so we're going to make him a Christmas hat now. Roll out kind of like a triangle piece of red modelling paste. You're going to keep that little pointy bit at the top. Use your thumb to gently flatten it out and then trim off the bottom with a knife. Of course we need to give our Santa hat a furry trim and a pom-pom as well. Use a small sausage of red modelling paste just on top of the koala's head. That's going to hold your Santa hat in place. And don't forget to create another ear for your koala. This is the finished cake. My daughter takes her birthday cake so seriously. What's your favourite cake you've ever made, or what is the most favourite cake you've ever received? Let me know in the comments below. But for now, I'm Amanda and this is Happy Bee Cakes. Happy birthday, Holly Dolly!